Gatha cia mwanya kuriwe muriri wa Kikuyu online media na thonyite ogeni mthenya wa umuthi na tugiukite na rugano rukoretwo rugitrend muno thiini wa ngenda cia ukinyaniria na gwihoka ni mukoretwo mukiona mundu ugwitwo Miss Kanyari ni magikoretwo muno magitrend matuonete uria makiri na wendo. Rish Kamunge niwe tukiri haha ni akoretwo agitariria na nikio tumwethete niguo akorwo agitumenyithia niki giki kirathie na mbere gatagati wake na Pastor Kanyari. Nititagwo Nelly Digital na mwenori oge turi na Castro Media nigukorwo ngimuhekanya akorwo agitwariria tucoke twaranirie na Rish Kamunge.
Yes, karibu sana nie getwo Timo Castro na ndimuhoyaga agikorwo urerorera video citu na ndu ra subscribe gakohoya subscribe na uhinye notification bell negetha tuki-upload video gakorwo wi wa mbere na kwirorera na tauguo Nelly akiuga twina the trending Rish Kamunge na agikorwo duonete to video tu tura trend gwiciria reke ngukirere gakuhi haha ukione maundu maria turakiaririria.
What?
How are you, babe?
I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay, baby. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay.
Nimekujaribu for so long mpaka ukani block. Why?
No, I cannot block you. I don't have that energy to block you.
You know, I was actually telling my personal assistant today.
Personal assistant?
Yeah, I was telling her today. Nikamwambia, I wish Kanyari would tell me of something he has always dreamt about, like opening a church somewhere. Nimwambia, let's do this.
Akiwe ni mrembo, surely.
Hii live imengojewa for so long.
What? I'm talking to you, Rish. Welcome here.
I'm really humble. So, ni gift gani hujaipata kwa hii live?
Gift? You are gifting a man?
Nasikia secretary akikwambia wacha niangalie ile gift expensive. Namsikia.
You know it.
Ulisema niko na matiti kubwa. Yini kitu kukasa katawe baya?
Kai, you have a big boobs.
No, yini kitu kusumbuana nayo. Like these are just things that you're gonna enjoy touching.
Ni ukweli. Lakini sasa hiyo ni kubwa.
Si ndio, at least inaweza toshia kwa mikono yako.
Na unalala hapo katikati.
I'm all alone in a 5-bedroom. I'm not married.
Wewe na kiroto gya kwigwatira nyumba cia gukomborithia ndugatangike ringi ni turakwenderia gorofa ya floor 5 haria barabara nene ya Thika Super Highway thutha wa Kenyatta University KU. Gorofa ino ina muigana wa unit 43 na ikarire mugunda wa fiti ya 70 by 30 na ndeto njega ni ati o mweri nyumba ino igagiria makiria ma ciringi 350,000. Nyumba ino turamiendia ciringi milioni 37 tu. Niguo kwigwatira nyumba ino na uhoro makiria tuhurire thimu namba 0728 316 057 kana 0797 751 913. Wihike marigitinite nebo gaitana hoha.
Karibu sana Rish.
Ndashokia gatho.
Yes. Agani urahetia we. Na letwa rieru.
Ya wauga Miss, reke tumwete Mrs. Ngamenya Miss, mundu etaga Miss aketania na baba wao.
Okay.
Riu haha ni Mrs. Nona.
Kanyari.
Mrs. Kanyari mwenyewe. No nyende ugeithie andu umere witagwo atia na kwanza ukimere niki wikaga tutanathie riu rugano-ini ruu rwa the trending news.
Muriega eroreri getagwo Rish Kamunge kana maritwo ma kibandi Maria Wangari wa Kamunge na ndi muhonoku Kristo ni mwathani thiini wa ngoro yakwa.
Hallelujah.
Ni ngoretwo trend. Yes. Ndwaraga andu nanja mabũrũri ma nanja we urenda guthie US ukenda guthie Canada ukenda guthie kuruta wira o haria hothe ungenda guthie mwena nanja ucio niguo wira wakwa. Yes.
Guthie nanja ni guthie wira kana ni guthie kubaris kana mumatwaraga mageke ate na kuunja
kuringana na visa ĩrĩa ũkwenda either urenda work visa urenda visitors visa business visa ciothe ona urenda passport njega Yes.
Na ti passport ici cietagio cukuru ukagurwo mbica ya kirego.
Ndĩrauga passport cia gũthiĩ bũrũri wa nanja
Oh.
ũkaũnjethe.
Na amenya tene twetagio passport rĩu no igue mũndũ twetagio passport cukuru tũkĩjoin form 1 rĩu no ũrigwo nĩ passport ĩyo tarĩngĩ he mũndũ ũtarĩ wathiĩ makĩria ma hau nĩ passport ĩrĩa mũndũ ahũthagĩra gũthiĩ bũrũri wa nanja ndũngĩgĩthiĩ na kĩrĩa atĩ na ticket ta bathi
Nĩguo.
yeah.
Yes.
Haya Nelly the trending Rish is
Yes,
here.
yes.
Hiyo nige Kish arajuka hau na niwe director witũ mũthĩ. No hena Rish na Kish.
Nĩguo.
Kish nĩ ũrĩa wa mũthoni wa kũrũria rĩtwa. No ha twĩna Rish
Kamunge. Yes. Rish Kamunge rĩu nĩ twagĩũka nĩguo tukorwo tukĩaranĩria nawe. Na ngwĩhoka nĩ ũrakĩmenya nĩ ũra trend mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ.
Njokerie rũcinĩ nĩ ndĩra trend kũndũ guothe guy. Yes. But it's a good feeling. Ndigerira kĩrĩa kĩrathire na mbere na mũndũ kwenda mũndũ atakĩrĩ mahĩtia
Nĩguo.
ngĩrĩ mũthaka kĩingĩenda na tarĩ ũru kĩonake angĩendwo nĩ mũirĩtu mũthaka tarĩ ũru. That's it.
Niĩ ndĩrenda ũtũcokie na thutha kũrĩa wendo waku kũrĩ Kanyari wambĩrĩirie rĩ na nĩkĩ gĩakorirwo gĩgĩkugucĩrĩria kũrĩ
mostly ngoragwo TikTok. Koguo nani ndamuoneire TikTok rĩakwa rĩa mbere. Okay, nĩ ndakĩmũĩ rĩrĩa agĩkaga 310 tũra tũnyitĩrĩre TV anga tũnyue maĩ nĩguo tũgĩe indo iria tũrenda. But ndĩrokire kũmuona TikTok o clips icio cia kũrĩa cirathiũrũrũka nĩ ekaga imwe na andũ. So I was like, this man is handsome. Baby boy is cute. So I just fell in love. Atakĩrĩ mahĩtia kwenda mũndũ. So ngĩka video yakwa ya mbere ndiamenya atĩ nĩ trend ngiuga the only person turamicaga TikTok nĩ Kanyari because he is an entertainer. When a stress ciakwo kũmũthikĩrĩria tu you are good to go. And I shoot my shots.
And when you shoot that shot
andũ matiũĩ ũndũ ũmwe niĩ na Kanyari tũrĩ arata ti thaa ici ona ti tutinamenya kumenyana thaa ici twari arata nginya mbere. So what I am doing now is just extending, giving him a comfort zone.
Haya ndĩraiguire video-inĩ ĩyo ũkĩmwĩra atĩrĩrĩ nimekuwa nikikutafuta sana nginya ũgatũma PA athiĩ amwethe. Alafu na ũrakiuga mũkĩrĩ arata wamwethaga mũrĩ arata.
This is it. Ona nĩ ũngĩũka gũkũ gwakwa wĩra-inĩ rĩ ti hĩndĩ ciothe ũkũraga na ti hĩndĩ ciothe atĩ mũndũ angĩhũra thimũ gũtakuoya nĩ ndĩ arutia wĩra na kwĩ andũ arĩa mandeithagia kũruta wĩra. Koguo nĩ hakinyire handũ ngĩanjia kũhũrĩra PA wake ngĩmwĩra you know what Kanyari oka rĩ kĩo tangĩmwĩra ndikwenda kwaria nake because it's a better channel handũ ha gũtinda ngĩmũhũra na ndiramenya program yake ũrĩa ĩhana. Ona ira twĩka video yo ndiramenyaga atĩ live. By the way nĩ ndĩrathire harĩa ndĩramũhũrĩra thimũ ndĩrahũrĩra PA wake tondũ ndĩramenyaga we aingĩra live kuma kĩndũ thaa ithatũ cia ũtukũ gũthiĩ na mbere. Koguo nĩ kũmũhũrĩra rĩ ona ndĩraiguire erwo uyo ni Rish mwambie niko live niĩ na ndĩrahoya request hau niho ndĩrabatirio. Yes.
Wow.
After we gukorwo ukimenya hihi wina wendo kuri Kanyari ri na akimenya response yake ri did you expect response yo akoretwo agikuhe kwa ihinda riri?
A man acknowledging that you are beautiful is something. A man even acknowledging where he sees you're beautiful is something else.
Indronire
koguo nĩ mũndũ nake twarie tuma angĩamenyeire kũkũ ndastokete to an extent nginya nĩ ndonire he rĩmwe rĩ live akiuga lakini nimesikia sister yake akisema hawanitaki kwani mimi ni mbaya. That means ameona mpaka clip ya Karomoura that went viral akisema you see. So this man has also been stalking me and I love the feeling. Yes.
How oraranageria na PA ni ndaiguire ukiuga ni wakoretwo ukimũcaria na agikorwo akublockete. Hihi ihinda rĩrĩa gũkorwo akublockete ni wari na alternatives ingĩ cia gũkorwo ukimũkinyira kuona atĩ we warumagĩrĩra wendo waku kũrĩ?
The funniest thing to kublock or ndĩrablockirwo ni waranjĩrire ali change number ni namba acenjirie. Koguo na mbere thaa ici ũkoraga like araheana mostly gũkũ nja agĩtũmĩra andũ mbia rĩ ĩyo nĩyo ndarĩ nayo. Koguo ĩyo namba aramĩhũthĩra na M-Pesa theri. Koguo arahũthĩraga namba ĩngĩ. Yes.
Okay.
Haya Rish ndĩraiguire mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Kanyari ndĩraiguire ũkĩmwĩra atĩrĩrĩ nilisikia ukisema niko na matiti kubwa like augite video ini ingi kana ni iyo ndirari video ya mbere iria urathondekete kana Kanyari
I don't think he muthenya Kanyari anaingira live akakugwetha I don't believe kunayo hata mara mingi utapata watu kwa comment section makimwira up Rish so ilijipa
after the live day tudoni hai hado turonire nginya Kanyari acenjetie maitho
hando riri ndiye ni atia Rish uramwirire aratigirwo na smile muraikara for several seconds ame smile
igiuga atia the power of love
after live ni rawethire riu arakohe namba after gucenjia namba
okay I have it but digiuga what happened after the live yes like to kinyia hariria muronire
kiuria kiria andu ingi mareyuria ni ona ni de wa umwe wa andu acio is this just content or it's ni wendo wama
I am a content creator he's a pastor, he's a content creator sawa na dionaga thina we hado kana kwina thina content creator agenda modo it might look odd because number one he has been married before right now he's not married I am young and me for me it's genuine love you know whether itajipa whether haitajipa I shoot my shot and I felt good yes
koguo Kanyari kuhinda riri angenda kuga riu ni ukorwo agikuhikia are you ready for this
very ready na demuhe mahatha
Wauga you are very ready video ine yo ni ndironire ukira Kanyari I am not a family person
yes
na ukiuga we watuire matu makwe wabe wethere bia na kwanza hau ha milioni 4 okay ni tugicoka hau kuringana na statement hiyo yaku ri tukona ta maybe you don't the relationship maybe you might want with Kanyari it's not a relationship it end up to marriage or what kind of a relationship do you want from him maybe
nejo yo nawe one word but ugacemanya na mundu agatuma ucenjio nducio wanauga ndigathie na ngari tondu no uko ni wagite accident nai ona ni ndauga ndikwenda kuhika but no ucemani na mundu uge I would want to see him daily no nyende kumuona gwakwa either wa ciana ciakwa you know when we are boarding flights going for vacations you see he changed me hata kama I just love being honest I was not too much into family but him udreugaga I want him to be family yes
wow
to nandi mimi siwezi vumilia kumuona akiniadie na mundu ungi so tondramenya no arienda kuhikania ri si kuja tu si ndoa ni kuvumiliana bas
wow I see the following the numbers you have pale TikTok over 400,000 followers na agikoro nduri urona ka video ka uthie ni ukuona to pieces to Rish Kamunge kule TikTok over 400,000 followers mundu gwitu Kanyari ni hindi aigira TikTok and he's very comfortable kuna andu ndirona comment section angi makiuga alikuja aka replace Chira because Chira was a very big name ikifika ni TikTok how do you take Kanyari TikTok dhaishi na entertainments and everything is doing
jugaga internet is a big space for everyone you cannot compete and you cannot replace we lost Chira may his soul rest in peace no one can replace him you know? What Kanyari is doing right now hakuna mtu mwingine amewaifanya so you just have to be unique in your own things the way I market because I'm one of the best marketers here in Kenya being a brand being an ambassador anything it's not how other people do it and they still get customers unaona so even for Kanyari and Chira I would not say that amekuja kumreplace I'm just saying that amepata a platform where he can be who he is yes
wow
Rish ni goeta muini wa gospel ginya twe thukuru no ru ni dronire ni rarutire rwimbo rwa Kanyari ruria uretaga a project for my man turethere horo wa wendo kuri rwimbo ruru
imagine it was so funny dauriria do which is one of the best gifts iregehe Kanyari and ado magiokana ideas mfanyia billboard
mfanyia 600,000
so a billboard is not 600,000
but you mentioned that
yes I did hiyo ni chocha but it is not 600,000 so I was like I would want something that is long lasting Nona. Tonda mwikira billboard redi nemiragira o mweri gukwo hau. So why don't I search for something ginya in the next 10 years nyare nyonaga. And he really appreciated that song by the way. Yes.
No korwo kwi mundu ratwirana ndaiguite rwimbo rwa Kanyari rwa Wendo ndukimuhutirie
ndikorohutia thaici Asha ndikorohutia thaici ni akinya haria YouTube ni akuruona.
Okay.
Yes.
Aya ukugite tukiambiriria interview ugire you are saved na tarige he kuna andu haria makorago mekiria judges.
Yes.
Maikite low miaka 6 magacoka
Low ya matwini
makauga iyo ti mitugo ya mundu muhonoku kuona uhoro wa social media na ni uraineire mundu gwitwo Kanyari uguo twakiuga kiheo giki kia wini wambirie ri na winaga kana wanaina nyimbo cihana ati
ndoire nyinete nyimbo cia kugoca Ngai. But the same Bible imenipea ndere ya ngiria go praise mundu. The Bible says worship no other god but me. But that is not juke Castro akoragwe mwega ni aheaga interview igimuhurira ndenda bisha. You see, I have been given that mandate. So we oraigua what I have done was wrong. As long as my heart is content, I'm okay. No na. Nidaumire kirathi kiria gia kuga andu makuga atia nidaumire kirathi kiria gia kuria. Riu wako ni wathiuri who will be affected as long as I am happy and people close to me are happy. It is not affecting the other person from the other side. I am okay. Yes.
What are some of the reactions ukoreto ukiamukira kuma maybe kuri friends, the close friends that know you as a born again person, maybe kuma kuri aciari kanitha-ini andu moete undu na njira iriko?
Number 1, I don't respond. I will not respond. Niona wahura thimu thaa ici ndingikuoera because I don't know what you want to tell me. Goshokera ugo dauga as long as my heart is content niko sawa. Nioko demukenu difatie I'm just okay. I did what I did. I am happy. We had a conversation venye watu wengi walikuwa wamerequest your life na ilifanyika venye walikuwa wanataka ifanyike. Yes.
All right.
Wa mundu agikuona Rish, you are a very beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Nituronire haria ukira mundu gwitwo Kanyari ni ndiraugire nyambe njethe mbia na uragwita hau mamilioni 4-5 million, that is per month. You are a lady.
Yes.
Hena andu maronire ka video kau reke tuge riu arume from time wekire video yo ri na ugo video ithiete viral ri hena arume mageretie ku reach out maybe magerie go change mind negetha utigane na Kanyari ugiuke tondu ni marakigwa horo wa milioni.
I don't know whether I'll share screenshots because today my PR ananiambia Rish huyu anasema mwache na Kanyari anakutaka ati Kanyari ni mzee. Gorone mudhugu. Gorone mudhugu.
Ile yake kwenda.
Goro ile yake rierenda. So let me be me. At the end of the day dikahikionia ndothe I will decide to get married to whoever I feel like getting married to. Ati onania ria gau ati you know I don't want Kanyari. It's not every relationship that leads to marriage. So let me enjoy it as it lasts. Yes.
Ukoreto kionia Kanyari wendo wa kukurie through TikTok.
Yes.
We want to know kama na hihi ni mushemanitie wakimwerethera wakimuonia wendo ria okiri na guo kurie kana bado.
I told you from back then Kanyari has been my friend. Yes, dina muno mothe ndanathie ciongano gacemania nake amatoi ciongano like crusades nini mimi mpaka church yake nimewaienda. So he is not someone new. Dikirokire tunyajie kurant over someone that I do not know. So to high time to high kahida kanini maundu macio mothe no mugacoka hande mwire riu turathi muratu maitege cia yeru na green na blue dressing code
reception igakorwo ni wamenya mutwaraga ni trust pin reception mugatwara murimo kana ni gutubanga.
By the way, my dream country is also his dream country. It's Thailand. So we want to go to Thailand. Yes.
Tugeka uhiki Thailand. Tugekere reception Germany. Utomo hiki. Mudu hau tuge Rish dakowe. Na ni wagitwerethera horo wa trust pin na ni turakigwa horo wa milioni 5 na 4 wanaume by the way mfanye job acha nitufanye kazi. Nilijua wakati niliona hiyo video nikafikia milioni 4 cia gwetwo nikajua hiyo DM hiyo di in fact kama ungekuwa na simu kama yangu hii ingekuwa imezima kama yako ni edito haya hii tushoke hariri the trending video
Yes.
na the brand, the Rish Kamunge brand, how has it affected your brand ka video ka ukara trend either negatively or positively?
Trending is trending, whether positively, negatively. Going viral is going viral. There are people.
There's no bad publicity.
Hakuna bad publicity. Whether kitu ilifanyika haikufanyika, we cannot reverse time. We do not have power to reverse time. Hemo doramenye ile hau. Na ni arenda muno kumenya who is Rish Kamunge. Hemo doraji were ile hau. Na ni kwenda kumenya what does Rish Kamunge do. Hemo dorai gure geri uhoro wa mamilioni kana ke, and then akozile za I would want to talk to this lady. So kuna wale walichukulia negatively, and at the end of the day, even if you try to justify yourself, dogeshejura modo atwete da dogeshejura modo oye desha modo gedio moli Rish Kamunge no akwire ne mutumia wa Kanyari, which is not true. We are friends, you know. So I will not like talk more about it. This is how you're supposed to be thinking about this the situation. This is what is happening. Kila modo anaenda weshiria kana kila modo anaenda kutekia like tutekia. Yes.
Rish, I have seen a lot of people body shaming you.
Oh.
Odoyori ni donete okigerera ginya kwa ihinda riri ya Kanyari sana hindi no araririe horo wa ni endete. Tell us about it.
I think dira kinya hado igiota kwa horo wa body shaming. I'm still in therapy, but I believe one day nega mota demwera, you know what, but tiodo igenda muratono mwa wakwa gerere gutire mundu we yombire. I believe right now no juge de muthaka no na that is no hote kuga, you know what, Rish, you deserve to be loved. Rish, you deserve to have a good man, which is not something that I would do. I mean, I don't know mama tio ateka hega shosho no workire kuruta nyoba genda kuruta moyo because I felt worthless no na so I will not talk about body shaming right now, but one day when I have the confidence to talk about it, I'll talk about it.
All right. Yes. Rish, ni ndramenya kwe andu aingi hihi kugerera kambuni yaku marakenda gukorwo makiaraniria nawe, kwe andu marenda wira, enda ngo ngikuhe kanya gaka ukorwo gituhe namba kana ukimerethera uria mangikorwo makiaraniria nawe.
All right, twina branch igire, imwe Nairobi, iwe ngi Naikuru. Nairobi niyo headquarter, twe Biashara Plaza, 5th floor, room number 4. Ware mone hauga building area ikoragwo ina Lucy Natasha kanitha wake we haha iguru wakwa.
Wow.
Yes. Tukoragwo ko 5th floor, room number 4. Naikuru twe Tamo Plaza next to Mache Hardwares kana KU. Tukoragwo 4th floor. Ugithie kuru no shema na Madam Veronica, she will be of assistance. Wo urenda guthie Canada, ukenda guthie US, ukenda guthie UK, ukenda guthie Europe. Ni turakuhe kanya. Karibu sana woko gwito trust pin. Ndukejira tondu nginya guku gwitu hindi ciothe ugitunengera mbia ciaku ni turi kindu gitagwo contract. Ti ati na utunengera mbia tukandika rediti guku gwitu nituruta wira na agreements na contracts. Kuga ati nginya ungeimwo na menya visa ni tha cia Jehova ati ungeimwo ri we will apply for you again for free. So neturenda wona ithu kuona neturatindiriria andu itu mathie nanja magiturehere utonga guku Kenya. Wo ngenda gutuhurira thimu tuhure na 0707 127099. Yes.
Social media handle?
Rish Kamunge, all my social media handles. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat zote.
Okay.
Yes.
Reach out Trust Pin Company. Todona mugathe William Samoei Ruto na raugire andu milioni 1 ni maretherwo njira ya guthie makaheo mawira kuria murimo kana nja wa bururi. Koguo ungibatara visa yaku ukaguko kwa Trust Pin.
Ndrona hare handikitwo Trust Pin. It's a yes to the world.
Yes.
Andu marauga taringi mundu wa kumenya ihinda riri ni watwira uinaga kana ukoretwo wi muini wa nyimbo cia gutwara andu matuine kana gospel. Rutiria rwimbo ruria rwekire wega muno ukaona hii imekubali mahutirie nigetha mamenye ugo urauga
uretago muthemba waku winago guoko waku wataboroka kuhoreragia oruothe muthugu ndiokuwe muoyo wakwa undikagira muthiriringo mwakiguru ndorira hariwe muoyo wakwa ni utharagwo ndukana ndige ndino ya withi wa ikonde kwana ndikiruka kigerie gikahotana ona hindi yo koro ni njoe ndukandiga muthemba wakuti wagote aria matwiyokete.
Wow, that is a very nice song.
It's trend, by the way. Yes. I remember even during the launch.
Yes.
Nituonete Sky.
Yes.
Oria ni mwana wa Kanyari ari online. Which means that ni arakorwo akiona hihi maundu maya marakorwo magithii na mbere, miarire yethe irakorwo igithii na mbere. How are you taking this, because ni agokorwo akiona what the dad is talking about and all that?
When it comes to children, I'll not talk. Dikwaria. Na tu mojo here tu todo ishi ni ciana. You know, they don't have to be dragged in what I'm doing. I have to be the mature one here. Whether I have anything to do with the dad or I don't have anything to do with the dad. Wacha tu tafadhali interview sikuwe ni kuhusu watoto. Yes. Let children be children. She's an amazing girl. I have followed her. Kwanza the Tash 254 family. I love her dancing. She's a good child. Let her be. Shone mwana. Yes.
That is very, very nice. Tushoke ha biashara. He mundu wi hau niege kuona you are very young and you're talking about the success and the business ideas that you have ni twari horo wa biashara ire uraruta na tukona trust pin there are so many branches zenye ziko chini ya no werethere mundu ha the ideas and everything tarige mundu wi hau ndamenyaga ambie ko he ungi twiriga gwika igongona akiona mbia tukimuruta kanyeki-ini tukimuruta kanyeki-ini no nginya mbia iria akionire citiamuteithirie. Do people start there up kana mundu ambagia ate nigetha mundu wi hau tarige na tofia tunini eciragie kuiga biashara angiambiriria ate
ndio jaririe kamera iriku
ici cio no eno neyo main ya Castro Media
eno ihagatagati the word is this it will be hard but it is possible. The other thing I'll say is money is not the starter of ideas. Money is not the starter of progress. Money is not the starter of success. Head sure the Castro omothio rire utaingirite media-ini ingiagogora camera gugorire microphone wajie udocio ni ungiagwire but tondu wajirie handu thimu-ini ukigia idea ya mbere hustle up ugie camera nikio wira ucio gutura wi passion yaku na nikio wira ucio gutura rugamite koguo tiga gweterera umuthi no ngunengere milioni imwe oko ndubangite kana nduru wako wina kindu bangire ati riria nganyita milioni imwe o ni go spend bia ni maratathi na ciumbukaga but riria guko wina idea o hustle wone milioni imwe wira ucio ni rugamaga. Number 2 no jugio self discipline indo ciothe cienda discipline na kwĩĩtĩkia na gutigana na haraka. Maundu macio matatu success will be on your way. Yes.
Ninyonete andu mwena wa TikTok makiuga that undu urathi na mbere gatagati waku na Kanyari might be your downfall or his downfall. Yes. What do you say about that?
No me uga wa mundu tigo uga wa Ngai. You know? People may not know, but I'm seeing his brand do good. I am seeing my brand do good. So there is nothing utasema ati yake inaanguka yangu inapanda. It might affect in the future. But I'm still a baby. I am still a young girl. Mimi ni baby girl. My age imekubalisha nifanye vitu mbaya na nifanye vitu mzuri. Like I mess up and I still grow.
Correct, yeah.
Yes. So whether I have done something wrong today, whether I've done something good, I believe in doing better tomorrow. Yes. Oko na ndirona horia eguthie yoete brand yakwa. Ona kikumura riu oke tweke ithuothe interview turinye nake. Na inyue. You know? Yes.
Kwanza no nyende muno please.
Twaranirie.
Aria nake.
Babe, we will be having an interview soon.
Yeah.
By the way, niere ngwenda nguhe kanya umwariria through these cameras.
Yes.
Now pour out your love, pour out your heart.
Mapenzi wewe.
Hey, this one. Prophet Dr. Victor Kanyari. Unanijua, naitwa Rish Kamunge. You are my friend. You are my inspiration. You are my therapist. Hata kama naendanga therapy, you are a better therapist for me. I will still continue saying that nakupenda. Nakupenda sana. I will not listen to what people say. I'll go for what my heart wants. Whether it will not work out, whether it will work out, I love you so much. Yes.
Wow.
Like, don't you feel something, in your heart?
I think nimelia kutosha. So, this is a delightful moment. Even getting a platform. Ni watu wangapi wanaambiangwa na watu wao watu wanapendwa and yet watupatangi mpaka watu kukuja. But just seeing like media is here to kuniambia Rish, kama ni ukweli sema ni ukweli, kama ni cloud sema ni cloud. I love you. Nakupenda and let's wish for the best. Yes.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
We wish for the best.
Yes. Hata mimi niko hapo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Au neho turi. Riu ndirenda waririe fan waku. Mundu wako we kuma kiambiriria, mundu inaga agatuika kiria ukamurathima na nyimbo ciaku. Umwaririe riu your fan.
Gukwiro. Riria riothe uko withi kana wi iguru ririkana Ngai. Always remember God. Nere monede merato hige wafici ciothe tuthie wetagwa tia haria na ikuru Heaven's Gate or tuthie twire Ngai kaundu. Never forget God. Number 2, toa anything that distracts you from success, be it family, be it your friends, anything that una feel ina shake peace yako itoe tu. And as I said, it's gonna be hard, but it is very possible. Yes, onaora ina dore ura trade na njebo ciaku ni njega. It will be hard, but siku moja itajipa, it will be possible. Yes.
Kareboka inagwa atiri ni ndenda inire Kanyari gaka. Gathire kuri one nyamu mwendo agwetereire.
Hallelujah. Neri ni agwa wendo ini.
I know.
Ugo gugaga riu nie mundu are. Mukinye tu hau airport. Nyona tu uyo ni bururi ungi. Arafu riu
na manyona Uganda na bururi ungi. No go.
Acha direda East Africa. Direda East Africa. Kama ni Africa twende Egypt. Apart from Egypt like tuthi hau Europe. Kwanza ni ngetwaro tu hau London. Mushoke mundu nyie hau Fulham Road. Hado hetagwo Stamford Bridge. Chikare tu hau ndirorere mubira wa Chelsea. Waigania nyinuke. Niyo kokoro desa. Hallelujah. Koguo mundu rere kaundu kau mundu andu magwito trust pin. Yeah, nigetha mundu are. This is ndireda your response. Your response. Tukirikiria mundu gwito Rish. Ni thengio muno ni gwitikira kwaraniria na ithui. Kuhorire thimu na you didn't ask any question no jedire to just come. Kiria urenda ngwire ni gukwira. We don't take it for granted. God bless you so much. Neli wena kaundu ungiongerera.
Ni tutingirikie no interview. Rish ataineire Kanyari. Ndathire kuri yo ni nyamu.
Aya. Dedication to Halava. Kanyari. Twende.
Instruments.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Aya, shidi kadia gate.
No, ne kunegen nawe.
Oh, sawa.
Okay. So this is to my man. I'm for my man. Dedaga kore one nyamo mwedwa gwetereire. Dedaga kore one nyamo mwedwa gwetereire. Gwetereire, gwetereire, mwedwa gwetereire, gwetereire.
Netaga nyamo cia githaka mwendwa ritwa riaku. Ritwa riaku.
Kogo no wina.
Niona kiria kirangenia Rish. Neri wendo-ini gugukira.
No kwena intentions tafadhali. Take every other man. Leave my
But
man
not
for me.
Kanyari.
Leave my man.
Thank you muno mwiroreri wa Kikuyu online media tukurikireria hau muthenya wa muthi na ni nguhoyaga angikoro wiroragira video citu na ndu ra subscribe gakohoya subscribe na uhinye notification bell negetha tukiupload video gakorwo wa mbere na kwirorera nie ngeto Timo Castro ginya ihinda riu ringi
na ni ngeto ni Denjo kana ni digital na muthenya wa muthi tukwaranagirira na Mrs. Kanyari till next time bye bye